Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how we can install Minecraft Java Edition on your Linux distro. So first of all, open up a web browser and go to the search bar and type SALWYRR and hit enter button and choose the first site that appears, and you'll be taken to this website and click on the green download button. Wait a second and choose the universal download button that's also painted green. You will be downloading the file, but I don't want to download this because I already have this downloaded, so let me show it to you. A second please. Yeah, this is the file that I just downloaded. So what I want to do is open up a terminal in the directory where the file is installed. So I click on the button that says open in terminal after right clicking, and after that what I do is hit an ls. So after ls, I'll copy the file name, right click and copy, and then after that what we want to do is type java-jar and hit enter after pasting the name of the file. Okay, like that, and everything is going well. You can see that there is a problem, or okay, no problem. So it opened up the launcher, and you can allocate the amount of RAM. If you're using a good computer with like 16 gigs of RAM, you can allocate about 4 gigs or max 3 gigs. 4 gigs will not even be used most of the times. And if you're using a computer with about 8 gigs, 12 gigs, 6 gigs of RAM, you can use 2.6, 2.5, 2 gigs. And if you're using a computer with 4 gigs, you can use like 1.5 gigs of RAM in this emulator or launcher. And if you're using a device with 2 gigs of RAM, you can give it like 800 megabytes. And if you're using 1 gigs of RAM computer, then please don't play the game. So select any version among these and you'll be given the specific versions as well when you click on the buttons. But right now I want to play the Minecraft 1.8.9, so I want to click on this button and play. It'll download Minecraft and launch the Minecraft. Now I'm already telling you that this launcher works without any errors, so I'm going to be stopping the video here. So I'll not make the video that long, and hope you like the video. So go and subscribe to my channel. We're very close to 500 subs. As soon as we get there, I'll make another video where I'll show you how you boost FPS in Minecraft. So till then, I'll see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed it. I've said it multiple times. Still, bye.